This Century 21 Prestige Realty property video is presented by Malene, Cuizon and Janice Johnson. Welcome to this one-level home with open floor plan. Large living area with built-in and beautiful fireplace. Wood flooring, tile and carpet in the home. Formal dining, eat-in kitchen west/breakfast bar, granite countertops with lots of counter space and storage cabinets. 4 bedrooms. Primary bedroom has spacious bath west/double vanity. Beautiful windows, Inground saltwater pool perfect for entertaining, pool house, natural gas generator available during power outages. 2-car side load garage. Call to view today. See showing remarks for more information, review the details below.